हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। आई होप सब कोई अच्छा कर रहे हो मार्केट में, तबीयत में भी सही हो, पैसे में भी सही हो, और एक और वीडियो देखने के लिए आप सब रेडी हो गए हो मेरे साथ। तो आज का वीडियो का कंटेंट रहेगा बैंक निफ्टी हाइब्रिड अर्नर एंड बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर जूनियर। ये दोनों मतलब देखने में काफी सिमिलर लगने वाले हैं स्ट्रेटेजीज, तो इसीलिए मैंने एक ही वीडियो में दोनों को ऐड कर दिया हूं। तो दोनों का स्ट्रेटेजी एक्सप्लेनेशन एज वेल एज दोनों का जो भी comparison as well as whatever plus minus favorable unfavorable condition, so at a time we will discuss today in this video. This video will take around 15 to 20 minutes to explain for me. So why this strategy is required and who should watch this strategy very carefully, especially capital requirement काफी कम है ये strategy में, very less capital means 75,000 capital is required in each of the strategy, whether it is Bank Nifty hybrid earner or Bank Nifty premium meter. So only within 75,000 you are allowed to do option selling in this strategy. Okay. Obviously, we'll be explaining how the strategies are going to perform in which market and what exactly happening in the market. So let's begin. Okay. So start करते हैं what are the things we need to discuss today. तो थीम ऑफ द स्ट्रेटेजी, जैसे कि एवरी स्ट्रेटेजी में हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं कि ये थीम क्या है, मतलब स्ट्रेटेजी का कोर लॉजिक या कोर बेस क्या रहता है. ओके, थीम ऑफ द स्ट्रेटेजी, देन स्ट्रेटेजी एक्सप्लेनेशन, स्ट्रेटेजी स्टैट्स, फेवरेबल एंड अनफेवरेबल मार्केट कंडीशन, देन कॉम्बिनेशन पेयर, मतलब कौन सा स्ट्रेटेजी के साथ कौन सा कॉम्बिनेशन बनाए तो you can get the maximum benefit from this hybrid earner or premium meter junior bank nifty. Okay, so let's move to our next thing. So एक second. I'm back. So चलो शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहली वाली जो होता है हमारा थीम ऑफ द स्ट्रेटेजी. So theme of the strategy is we will be dealing in Bank Nifty hybrid earner or Bank Nifty premium meter junior. In either case we'll be dealing with only Bank Nifty option selling. हम Bank Nifty option selling ही करने वाले हैं, पर क्योंकि हमारा टारगेट, our goal is to reduce the margin requirement to 75,000, so that is why we will sell Bank Nifty options pair along with OTM hedge. Durka OTM hedge means we will also buy far away Bank Nifty put and call, so that our total margin requirement will reduce. Okay, so no need to buy something different. This strategy actually accommodate option selling, means जो भी straddle रहेगा, plus the Durka far away OTM strike price buying. So everything is covered in the same strategy. Okay, our goal will be to earn theta decay plus directional profit in case of Bank Nifty hybrid earner. Bank Nifty hybrid earner दोनों इसमें काम कर जाएगा. Whenever market will be range bound as well as market is highly directional, so that is the forte of Bank Nifty hybrid earner. Whereas in case of Bank Nifty premium meter junior, the strategy, the favorable market condition will be means more kind of premium decay. The entire day it will work on theta decay to get as much as premium erosion it can get. So that is the basic intention of Bank Nifty premium meter junior. डायरेक्शनल में भी ये काम करेगा, पर नॉट दैट मच. जितना मार्केट रेंज में रहेगा दैट विल बी मोर बेनिफिशियल टू बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर जूनियर. ओके, सिंस वी आर डूइंग ओटीएम हेज जब भी करते हैं हम थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा प्रीमियम का भी रिस्क ले रहे हैं, क्योंकि ओटीएम हेज में वी विल लूज सम अमाउंट इन ओटीएम हेजेस. Okay, so that is why the risk and return, whenever you get leverage, then your risk also increases, your return also increases. Okay, so because of that, बाकी जो ईटर वाले स्ट्रेटेजी जिसमें हम ओटीएम हेज यूज नहीं करते थे, in that case our target was 10% in a month. But in this strategy, since we are using OTM hedge, our target return will be more than 15%. and definitely along with the increase in return percentage, definitely there will be little bit risk also will increase. So instead of 5%, our risk will be within 10% range per month, okay, on our capital. बैंक निफ्टी हाइब्रिड अर्नर की अगर बात करें तो दिस इज ए वेरी लिमिटेड रिस्क, मींस वेयर आवर स्टॉप लॉस इज लिमिटेड but profit is unlimited. As much as market is suppose any trending day market is just trending, then we just hold our positions as much as can. There is no target at all. Okay, limited risk unlimited profit strategy is bank nifty hybrid earner. Whereas in bank nifty premium meter junior we book profit at certain interval like इंडेक्स प्रीमियम मीटर. अगर किसी ने नहीं देखा इंडेक्स प्रीमियम मीटर को, प्लीज लास्ट वीडियो में फिर से देखें. I will give in this description box the link of index premium meter also, because the references will come to explain this strategy bank nifty premium meter junior. Bank nifty premium meter junior is especially 50% of index premium meter. इंडेक्स प्रीमियम मीटर में बैंक निफ्टी वाले लेग्स में जो कंडीशन रहते हैं, वट एवर कंडीशन, almost similar conditions are written in bank nifty premium meter junior. So bank nifty premium meter junior is one half of index premium meter, you can say. Okay, so that is why these strategies, let's talk about the strategy explanation. You will understand why I am saying it is one part of index premium meter. In case of bank nifty premium meter junior, it enters at 9:16 a.m. As I said, my aim is to stand on the market for entire day and eat as much as premium you can. So like index premium meter, so same thing applicable to bank nifty premium meter junior also, where we enter in the market at 9:16 in the morning and we exit at 3 p.m. in the evening, means in the afternoon. Okay, so the entire day it adjusts like index premium meter. Again and again I am referencing index premium meter because everything how the adjustments are done I have explained in the index premium meter video. आप बिल्कुल जाके देखें वो वीडियो को, तो it will be easy for you to understand what is bank nifty premium meter junior. Okay, so it enters at 9:16, it ends at 3 p.m. But in case of bank nifty hybrid earner, bank nifty hybrid earner is little bit inclined or similar towards bank nifty eater. In bank nifty eater also, like 9:45 we start, so like that at 9:45 this bank nifty hybrid earner will start. Okay, then both sells one pair of bank nifty straddle. जैसे कि मैंने बता दिया था, bank nifty में option selling ही करेंगे pair में, put and call pair में, but along with that we will also buy far away OTM pair so that the total capital requirement will come down. Okay, so format is same. 4 number of legs will be there in each of the strategy, either it is junior premium meter junior or hybrid earner. So format will be same. 2 selling legs will be there, put and call, and 2 buying legs will be there. Total 4 legs will be there in your strategy. Okay, all 4 legs, I will not say all 4 legs, actually OTM leg तो खाली support करने के लिए होते हैं. The basic function of OTM legs are to support the sorted legs. So when I say stop loss is fixed in legs, so stop loss is fixed in case of sorted wale legs. जो भी sell wale legs रहेंगे, only for those sell legs the stop loss is fixed, and according to our exit of the short legs, the OTM legs will also exit at the same time. Okay, in case of bank nifty premium meter junior, each counter has maximum stop loss 4,000, like in index premium meter. So this has also similar stop loss of 4,000, and like index premium meter, its target is also similar, which is 2,000. In bank nifty hybrid earner, each day has maximum of 2,500 stop loss. Okay, it is not like bank nifty premium meter junior. In hybrid earner we have fixed the entire day stop loss. Entire day stop loss is only 2,500 in case of hybrid earner. Okay, whereas the target is not limited, like junior में हमारा target limit होता है 2,000 का target मिल गया हम हट जाते हैं trade से. So here the target is not limited, the target is unlimited in hybrid earner. So but whenever we say unlimited target, we always keep following the profit means TSL ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस रखते हैं, तो ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस कर करके जहां तक बैंक निफ्टी हाइब्रिड अर्नर मूव कर सकता है उसको मूव करने दे. जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू कैन चेक ऑन फ्राइडे, सो फ्राइडे वाज अ हाई ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट, पॉजिटिव साइड इट वाज गोइंग. सो बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम बैंक निफ्टी हाइब्रिड अर्नर at one point of time it was earning around 3,500 rupees profit per multiplier. But later point of time when market reversed, so it booked total profit of 1,700 at the time of exit. So that is called as trailing stop loss. Whenever means we target maximum profit, but along with the trailing stop loss, which minimizes the risk. Okay. In case of Bank Nifty Premium Meter Junior, once the counter gets over with target or stop loss, जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि target 2,000 rupees, stop loss 4,000 rupees. Whenever Bank Nifty Premium Meter Junior exits from the target or stop loss, it re-enters price after 5 minutes. 5 मिनट के बाद ये दोबारा री-एंट्री हो जाता है. सिमिलरली काइंड ऑफ इंडेक्स प्रीमियम मीटर में जैसे होता है, यहाँ पे भी सेम 5 मिनट के बाद बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर जूनियर फिर से री-एंट्री हो जाता है. Whereas in case of Bank Nifty Hybrid Earner, there is only one entry at 9:45. if it exits, अगर इसको पूरा ट्रेंड मिल रहा है तो ये 3 बजे तक रहेगा. Okay, if the trend gets continue, then it tries to Bank Nifty Hybrid Earner tries to get as much of profit it can, and it goes on till 3 p.m. in the afternoon. अगर बीच में ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस हो जाता है या फिर टोटल 2500 का जो स्टॉप लॉस रखा है वो वाला स्टॉप लॉस हो जाता है, so in that case Bank Nifty Hybrid Earner exits in between the day, and whenever it exits in between the day there is no further entry. In case of Bank Nifty Hybrid Earner, there is only one entry and one exit per day. Dynamically, it adjusts nothing. So in that case, if market will be more volatile, means huge plus and huge minus kind of market will be there after 9:45, then it will create some problem for Bank Nifty Hybrid Earner. Whereas Bank Nifty Premium Meter Junior is kind of dynamic strategy where little bit number of trades will be more, but it adjust, ये adjust करते रहता है पूरे दिन भर 9:16 to 3 p.m. Bank Nifty Premium Meter Junior, and it little bit less risky compared to Bank Nifty Hybrid Earner. Okay, because of multiple complex condition in Bank Nifty Premium Meter, adjustment logic, re-entry logic, many things are there in Bank Nifty Premium Meter Junior. So in that case, PNL will definitely, it will differ from user to user. Reason in detail I have explained in Index Premium Meter. Okay, you can check the Index Premium Meter video. So Bank Nifty Premium Meter Junior, the PNL definitely it will vary. But in case of Bank Nifty Hybrid Earner, it is more or less similar for all the users. क्योंकि उतना कुछ ज्यादा conditions यहाँ पे है नहीं Bank Nifty Hybrid Earner में. बहुत simple, one entry and one exit with fixed target, fixed stop loss, which is same across all the users. So PNL इसमें plus or minus 200 type का रहेगा सारे users के लिए. It will be more or less pretty much same for all the users. Okay. तो ये हो गया हमारा strategy explanation. Coming to the stats. So starts, as I said, 75,000 capital for both. The starts will be more or less similar. We have taken 196 number of days data to get these starts, where win rate for Bank Nifty Premium Meter Junior is slightly more than Bank Nifty Hybrid Earner, but again it is similar. Okay. Average monthly profit also 21,437, 22,834. Recent win rate also same. Total profit also almost similar. When you check around 9 months data, so 10,000 of difference doesn't make much sense. Average monthly ROE, if you can check, 29%, 30%. Total ROE also almost similar. Max profit also, I would say, similar. So more or less the starts are both similar for Bank Nifty Premium Meter Junior and Hybrid Earner. The only difference you will see the number of trades. The number of trades will be little bit more in case of Bank Nifty Premium Meter Junior, but it is little bit or pretty much less because only fixed amount of 4 entries will be there and 4 exits will be there. So total 8 number of trades will be there in case of Hybrid Earner. you must be thinking why the same stats I will means in that case if you see just the stats, अगर खाली आप स्टार्ट्स देखोगे तो आप क्लियर कट बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम जूनियर को अवॉइड करके बैंक निफ्टी हाइब्रिड अर्नर को डिप्लॉय कर लोगे. So here one point I want to make, if you this data has been come from last 9 months, अगर आप 9 months का डाटा देखोगे तो आउट ऑफ 9 months अराउंड 5 to 6 months वेर हाईली ट्रेंडिंग डेज, जहां पे भिक्स काफी ज्यादा था, ट्रेंडिंग डेज बहुत सारे आते थे, एंड दोज वेर द फेवरेबल डेज फॉर बैंक निफ्टी हाइब्रिड अर्नर. Whereas nowadays Bank Nifty Premium Meter Junior is performing pretty well. बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर जूनियर के लिए थोड़ा सा रेंज बाउंड मार्केट चाहिए जो कि अभी हो गया है. तो इन दिस काइंड ऑफ मार्केट बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर जूनियर विल बी वेरी गुड. आई एम नॉट सेइंग बैंक निफ्टी हाइब्रिड अर्नर विल नॉट परफॉर्म. इवन इन जुलाई बैंक निफ्टी हाइब्रिड अर्नर का कुछ 32% का रिटर्न चल रहा है. तो इट इज ऑल्सो कैपेबल ऑफ हैंडलिंग रेंज बाउंड मार्केट. बट अगेन इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द, मैंने पूरा स्ट्रेटेजी एक्सप्लेन कर दिया, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द यूजर्स पर्सपेक्टिव कि हाउ यू perceive and which strategy will be beneficial for you, how you judge. Okay, also just for information you can say you can deploy both also. मतलब कभी बैंक निफ्टी हाइब्रिड अर्नर आपको प्रॉफिट देगा ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट में, तो कभी बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर जूनियर आपको प्रॉफिट देगा रेंज बाउंड मार्केट में. यू कैन डिप्लॉय इवन बोथ द स्ट्रेटेजीज इन योर सेम अकाउंट, नो इशू इन दैट. सो दे विल बैलेंस ईच अदर, ऐसे भी हो सकता है. ओके. Coming to the favorable and unfavorable market condition, in case of as I already told, positive negative trend as well as narrow range bound and both the strategies will work pretty good. If you see unfavorable condition like Friday it happened, there is a huge drop in bank nifty, then huge upside in bank nifty from the beginning of the market. So beginning of the market means whenever a strategy already entered, means bank nifty premium meter junior already enter हो गया था सुबह सुबह. So after that this kind of huge volatility happened. So this kind of huge up and down movement, it is very difficult for any strategy to work. So that is the only unfavorable condition. Otherwise positive negative, huge positive negative trend or narrow range, everything is okay to handle for both of the strategies. Coming to combination pair, which is the last topic, combination pair बैंक निफ्टी जूनियर के साथ आप निफ्टी हाइब्रिड अर्नर को टाई अप कर सकते हैं. बैंक निफ्टी एंड निफ्टी both will tag each other and support each other and go hand on hand. I won't suggest Bank Nifty Premium Meter Junior with Nifty Hybrid Earner. There is a reason, because Nifty Hybrid Earner also trending strategy which generates more profit in case of trending market, whereas in case of Bank Nifty Premium Meter Junior, that depends upon only theta decay. So I would suggest, if you are combining the pair, so try to pair up Bank Nifty Premium Meter Junior with Nifty Hybrid Earner, and similar condition applicable to Bank Nifty Hybrid Earner also. If you are trying to pair Bank Nifty Hybrid Earner, then try to pair with Nifty Premium Meter Junior. My next video, I will talk about Nifty Premium Meter Junior and Nifty Hybrid Earner both. So in that case, it will be more clear. Bank Nifty Hybrid Earner is a very destructive kind of strategy. Destructive means it is kind of beast, means whenever any trending market it will give you profit like anything. Okay, so that is why you can also tag this Bank Nifty Hybrid Earner with Index Premium Meter, which is again a strategy which depends upon theta decay only, which is market neutral strategy. So along with those market neutral strategies, you can add little bit aggressive strategy, which is Bank Nifty Hybrid Earner. Okay, so that's all from my side for today. आई होप ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, क्योंकि दोनों स्ट्रेटेजी को एक साथ मैंने हैंड ऑन हैंड कंपेयर करके देख लिया था. काफी लोग मुझे पूछ रहे थे कि 75,000 का ही कैपिटल है, दोनों में स्टैट सेम है, तो किस तरीके का मार्केट में कौन सा स्ट्रेटेजी को यूज किया जाए या कौन सा स्ट्रेटेजी अच्छा है. दोनों स्ट्रेटेजी काफी अच्छे हैं. बैंक निफ्टी स्ट्रेटेजी है, दोनों 75,000 के कैपिटल में हो जाते हैं. For small traders who have less capital, they can deploy. For bigger traders which have more capitals but they are left with some smaller amount of capital which they are unable to deploy in bigger strategies, bigger capital required strategies, so they can look into this smaller capital strategy and they can get some benefit. That's all from my end. Comment करके बता दीजिए कि कैसा लगा आपको ये वीडियो, और बाकी सारे डिस्क्रिप्शन में सारे यूजफुल लिंक्स मैंने दे रखा है. एक बार आप वीडियो देखने के बाद डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक को एक्सपैंड करके भी देखिए कि क्या-क्या लिंक दिया गया है टू एक्सेस दिस स्ट्रेटजीज. Okay, see you in my next video, which is Nifty Premium Meter Junior plus Nifty Hybrid Earner, both together. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care.